Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to private action button in OK app. So here I'm going to teach you how to private action button here at OK app. So all you need to do to start this up is just clicking on the three horizontal line on the bottom right corner right here. After pressing that, this will pop up, and once this pops up, all we need to do is click on settings on the top right corner right here. After pressing on settings right here, press on personal information. Now it's presenting there. I have to wait for just a bit. So here, after doing that, you will be located right here in personal information. Then just go down till you see action button right here. Then all you need to do is press on that right there. Now we can do the action button. Now we can send it, put it on no, action button. We can put it on no, send a message, call OK, or send a gift first right there, or maybe transitions via link or make a call using phone number. So any of those may do when here in your OK app. And to change it, all you need to do is say you call OK or say call OK. Then click on save right here. There you go. 1, 2, 3, save. And then now it's saved. Now to put it back to its normal state, all you need to do is click on action button, then click on send a message, back to send a message. There you go. As you see, I'm just gonna go back. So that's how you do it here in the OK app. So yeah, there you go guys. So I hope you guys liked the video, hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions guys, you can type it in the comment section below guys. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse guys. So there guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.